Welcome to my channel. What if I tell you that you can improve your English for free just by using YouTube the right way? Many learners watch videos every day, but very few know how to turn YouTube into a powerful English classroom. Stay with me till the end, because today I will show you how to learn English with YouTube step by step. Chapter 1. Why YouTube is a powerful tool for learning English. Many people think learning English is difficult, expensive, or only possible in big schools and courses. But today, things have changed. Now you can learn English from your phone, your laptop, or even your TV. And one of the most powerful tools for learning English is YouTube. Yes, YouTube is not only for entertainment, it can become your English classroom if you use it correctly. Think about this. Millions of English videos are available for free. You can learn speaking, listening, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and even confidence from one platform. That is why YouTube is so powerful. Another amazing thing is that you can hear real English from native speakers and fluent speakers. This helps your ears become familiar with English naturally. Slowly, your listening becomes better and your pronunciation also improves. And here is something very important. You can learn anytime and anywhere. You don't need a perfect classroom. You only need consistency and the right method. Many learners say, I cannot afford expensive English courses. But YouTube gives free opportunities to everyone. Your phone can become your English teacher if you use it wisely. But listen carefully. Not every video will help you. Many beginners make one big mistake. They watch random, difficult videos that are too fast or too advanced. Because of this, they feel confused and lose motivation. That is why choosing the right content is very important. Start simple. Watch beginner-friendly videos with clear pronunciation and easy words. Don't try to understand difficult English immediately. Here is a powerful truth. Even 10 minutes of the right YouTube practice every day can improve your English step by step. And the best part is this. Learning through videos feels more interesting and enjoyable than traditional studying. When learning becomes enjoyable, you stay motivated longer. But now the question is, what kind of YouTube videos should beginners watch to improve English faster without confusion? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 2. What kind of YouTube videos beginners should watch? Now, let's talk about something very important. What kind of YouTube videos beginners should watch? Because many learners make one big mistake. They open YouTube and start watching very fast movies, difficult interviews, or advanced English content. After a few minutes, they understand almost nothing. Then they feel disappointed and think, English is too hard for me. But the real problem is not English. The real problem is choosing content that is too difficult. Listen carefully. Beginners need simple and understandable English. Start with Beginner English Lessons. These videos use easy vocabulary, slow pronunciation, and short sentences. This helps your brain understand English without stress. Another great option is short English stories. Stories are powerful because they are interesting and easy to follow. They also help you learn grammar and vocabulary naturally. Daily conversation videos are also very useful. These videos teach real English that people use every day, like greetings, shopping, asking questions, and simple communication. And don't forget pronunciation videos. Listening to correct pronunciation again and again helps your speaking become clearer. Now, here is something very important. Use subtitles wisely. First, try to listen without subtitles. Then, watch again with English subtitles. This helps your brain connect sounds with words. Another powerful method is repetition. Many learners watch many different videos every day but never repeat them. This is a mistake. Repeating one easy video several times is much more powerful than watching 10 difficult videos one time. Each time you repeat, your understanding becomes deeper. You notice new words, better pronunciation, and sentence patterns. And remember this, don't watch videos passively like entertainment only. Watch actively, pause the video, repeat sentences. Think about the meaning. Copy pronunciation. When you watch English actively, every video becomes a lesson. But now comes the exciting part. YouTube is not only for watching and listening, it can also become your speaking practice partner. So now the question is, how can you improve your speaking skills using YouTube videos? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 3, How to Practice Speaking with YouTube Videos. Now comes one of the most powerful parts of learning English with YouTube, speaking practice. Many learners watch English videos every day, but they still cannot speak confidently. Why? Because they only watch, they do not practice speaking. Listen carefully. YouTube is not only for watching, it is for practicing. One of the best speaking methods is called shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it immediately after the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and rhythm. For example, if the speaker says, "How was your day?" pause the video and repeat the sentence aloud. Say it again and again until it feels natural. This method trains your mouth, ears, and brain together. Another powerful method is speaking along with the video. Instead of only listening silently, speak with the speaker. This improves fluency and confidence little by little. At first, your pronunciation may not sound perfect. That is okay. Don't stop. Improvement comes through repetition. Here is something very important. The more you repeat English aloud, the more natural your speaking becomes. Another useful habit is pausing the video and answering questions yourself. If the video asks, "What do you do every morning?" pause and answer in your own English. Even simple answers are enough. This helps your brain start creating English sentences naturally. You can also explain the video in your own words after watching it. Use simple English. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is practice, not perfection. And here's another powerful tip. Record your voice. Then compare your pronunciation with the speaker in the video. Slowly, you will notice improvement in your confidence and speaking clarity. Many learners feel shy while speaking English, but remember, confidence grows through practice, not waiting. Imagine this moment. One day, you will speak English more smoothly because of all the small daily practice you did with YouTube videos. That moment will feel amazing. But now comes the final secret behind success: consistency. Because even the best methods will not help if you practice only once in a while. So, how can you build a simple daily routine and learn English consistently with YouTube? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 4, How to Stay Consistent and Learn English Daily with YouTube. Now, let's talk about the most important secret of all: consistency. Because many learners start with excitement. They watch English videos for 1 or 2 days, they feel motivated, they think, now I will become fluent very fast. But after a few days, they stop. Why? Because they expect quick results. Listen carefully. Learning English is not a one-day process. It is a daily journey. Small practice every day is much more powerful than long study once in a while. Here is a simple truth. Your brain learns better through repetition, not pressure. So instead of watching random videos for hours, create a simple daily routine using YouTube. For example, watch one easy English video every day. Listen carefully and repeat a few sentences. Try to speak a few lines by yourself, and revise the same video again if needed. This small routine can change your English over time. Now, here is something very important. Don't try to learn too much in one day. Many learners become tired because they overload their brain. Instead, focus on small and clear practice. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough if you stay consistent. Another important thing is patience. At first, you may not see big results. You may still struggle with speaking or understanding. But don't stop. Improvement is happening slowly inside your brain. And one day, something amazing will happen. You will watch an English video and understand it without stress. You will speak English more naturally. You will not think about translation anymore. That moment will show you that your consistency worked. And remember this powerful truth: success is not about speed, it is about consistency. So enjoy the process. Learn slowly, practice daily, and keep improving step by step. Because YouTube is not just a platform for videos, it can become your English teacher, your practice partner, and your daily learning tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me how you use YouTube to learn English and what problems you face. I read every comment and I will help you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.